people of Ego and Ibobaha, when you say me, I be their own, their pikin. They send me message, say me I go represent them for National Assembly for Abuja. And what happen now be say, me, I can't know say, without them, I for not feel they there. So that's why I come make and say, every good thing when he did, make a carry and come home. Make them also come say, then they see better thing when they our constituency. This we will call it Ego Ibobaha Federal Constituency. Thank God, this is not the first time when me I don't go there. But people say it be like say me I don't take it for there because of the things when I don't do for my people. In our bills, so I don't sponsor many bills. And emotional, I have raised so many motions. This motion has to do with matter of urgent public importance and some motion that we have to deliberate and debate on it. And again, the bills that are moved, I tell you, say those bills have helped not only Ego Ibobaha people, Nigerians as a whole. We thank God say it don't be better as it did before it be no good. But as we see things now, things don't be better for us. Maybe we also thank the Governor Obaseki, when they work, and Mr. President of Buhari, who is also they do, they try, they do how you take stop the money where they steal, they carry come on. See, don't stop and say corruption. When they eat us, when they make us not see where we think will make us better. If we stop how to the thief, to the steal our money, Nigeria will get money. So for me, I am representing, and I represent everybody. Everybody that voted for me. It's not only PDP member that voted for me when I was in PDP. A lot of people voted for me. That was how I won. I'm in APC now. It is not only APC members that will vote for me. Those that don't even belong to any political party, all of them that day when they come, they will support me. Nigerians, now all of us, now get this country together. We must work together. To work together, we must come together to know say this country, our own, our own. May we pray say may good for us.